Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to change your birthday on Shopee. To change your date of birth in Shopee is super easy. First of all, open up a web browser and then type in shopee.com in the URL box and search. Select your country or your region from the menu in the welcome screen and then log into your account with your credentials. After signing into your account, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your name. Now click on My Account. In the pop-up, you will then be taken to your My Profile tab where you need to go ahead and click the Change button right next to Date of Birth. Now select your date of birth from the drop-down and click on Save. Right after you do that, you will then be able to change your birthday or your date of birth in Shopee account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Shopee tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.